Alright, in my previous video, I showed you guys how to change a toilet flapper. How this bleach tablet caused the red toilet flapper to degrade. And if you could see that on this toilet flapper, there's a little ring right there that's causing it to degrade, and it's actually a little sticky on the outside too. Now, instead of using this bleach tablet that's puts in the tank, there's a much better way to make sure your toilet is always clean. And this is the Fluidmaster Flush and Sparkle. It's a way to clean it. How it goes, it puts the bleach directly into this tube, which this tube goes directly down into your toilet bowl. So we're going to show you how to install this. Just got a new one, so got to open this first. All right. Ooh, it's taped shut. Let's get this open right here. Get that open. Alright. I could rip the box open, but I'm just gonna cut it open right there. Get that tape off. And when we open this is what comes in. You got your instruction manual, the actual device, and then with the actual device, you also have your inside the box. You also have your little bleach tablets. All right, well, this will be an easy install. First of all, this is the device that needs to go in. Gotta take that apart. Right now, this clip, this side is the one that needs to go down here, but it's on the left side. And this is the one that needs to go to the water. So, but I'm gonna really quick redo this. I'm gonna take this apart because I don't like this on this side, so I'm gonna flip it. All I need to do is take this tube out right there. I'm gonna actually take this out of the case. So take this tube out of this side, and I'm gonna flip it, and we'll put this tube in here. So we squeeze it in there real quick. There we go, squeeze it in there. Now the tube's on the other side. Okay, because my thing is gonna be on the right side, so I'm gonna put this back in like so. That's the holder. Put this tube down here, and that's my water out. Okay, pretty easy thing to do. You just take this tube, take that out on this side, and neat thing, you don't even have to shut off your water doing this. Actually, let me show you something. Just when I flush the water, it comes out here. You see that water going down the tube right there? That's usually where the water comes out. And that's usually how your toilet bowl continues to refill, with this water right here. So we're gonna replace that, and the bleach is going to go through it straight from this tube down into the toilet bowl. I'm gonna wait till this is done. And basically, we're just going to replace this tube. So that's done. Take this tube out. That just comes off like that. Put that to the side. We will put this down here and just clip this in. All right. This one, we're just going to clip into our thing over here or we just push it in to where we had it. I'm holding this side in so I can just push it in. That's our toilet bowl cleaner. I'm gonna put this, and we're just going to take this and make sure this is where the water comes out. So I'm just gonna take this and clip it in. Open up the clip right here, a little bit right there, so you just slide it in. Oh, there we go, slide it in, there you go. Now water's gonna come in to this tube there. Next thing all we need to do is take this. Don't flush your toilet until you put this in, otherwise water is gonna spray out on top of that. We'll open our bleach thing. Again, later on I'll show you in the video how to replace your bleach tablets in here cheaply, but for now we're just going to put this in and then do a little turn. That's in, that's in. Water's gonna go in here and then go down. So this is how it's gonna work. So flush. Water's gonna come there. I don't know if you see that water right there. So you can see that water right there. That's that water going there. It's going through here, going through the bleach, and the bleach is only going into the tank at this point. So this is a much better way, and probably the best way to put a toilet cleaner into your tablet. And this would be the way I recommend. So another quick and easy install. Hope you guys like the videos. If you like more of this, please subscribe. And there you go. That's it. Now, all I have to do is put this back on the top, and I'm done. Thanks for joining.